What's up, everybody? Sorry that it's really dark out, but can somebody explain to me what this whistling sound is? It sounds like somebody's like whistling. I don't know if it's gonna do it, but it's been going on for like 20 minutes now. Okay, I don't know. It isn't happening anymore. It's really weird. It was just whistling, but I think it might be from the game that I'm playing. But it sounded like it was coming outside of my room and right over. Sorry that it's so blurry. Right over there, I thought I saw something run across the road. I don't know. Bye, guys. Peace.